Hi my friends, this is Mabel. Hope you enjoyed the green tea ceremony I presented to you just now. As you saw in the video, I showed you 3 brewing methods which are commonly used for both green tea and yellow tea. You say, what were the differences? Yes, I chose the button casting brewing method for dragon well because dragon well is flat. Those leaves can be difficult to fall down. So the button casting brewing method is the ideal way to make dragon well. Okay? And for the middle casting brewing method, actually that is the most common method for making almost all the kinds of tea. Yes. And I choose the top casting brewing method for the green tea shaped like bead, like gunpowder. Regarding the water pouring method, yes, I used 2 ways to fill those glasses. For this one, I just raise my hand very high, yes, and I fill the water once, like some fountain between the high mountain, yes, 高冲, And for the 2 glasses, I raise my hand 3 times. In Chinese, we call the pouring water way 3 phoenix rods. Okay, that takes time to practice. But now, since you have to sit at home, I think this is the right thing and present thing you can practice and entertainment yourself. Okay, next time, pay attention to the shape of those leaves and then choose the right brewing method for your green tea. Hope you enjoyed this video and share your comments below. Keep smile, keep safe, and keep moving. 加油! Thanks for watching the Chinese Tea Art channel. See you next time. Bye bye.